Welcome to the CADsys YouTube channel. My name is Kretzschmar. I am consultant at the mechanical design section here at CADsys. And today I want to introduce our Inventor app Toolbox to you.
Okay, some of our customers started their CAD experience with AutoCAD. And there it was quite handy to use these toolboxes to set the command icons for a direct access. Here in Inventor we have a similar problem, so we have sometimes flyouts and we have to go through different registers to select any command. And for this reason we started to create a new app for Inventor. You can download it here at the Exchange Apps, the App Store of Autodesk. And once you download it and installed it, you will find it here at the Tools register at the add-ins. And here it should be loaded. CADsys Toolbox Inventor should be loaded here. This toolbox works separately for drawings, parts, assemblies and presentations, so you have to set it for each type of file separately. So we just start with a part, and here you have a new register toolbox. There are license informations and some more information about this app, and we have this customize button here. And if we select customize, we see the part toolbox here, and we can select any command or just commands from the part commands. So for instance the 3D model tab, and if we select the distance for instance, and direct edit and I don't know, box and cylinder, so we can put some of these commands here selected to our new toolbox. We apply and close that, so we have our new toolbox here, and we can move this to any place at the desktop and have a direct access to this commands. If you want to change something in your user commands, you can just click with the right mouse button and select Customize User Commands. Then you will go to these command customize dialog, and you can once again select any part command, edit, or just remove it, or change the position of this command and say OK, and then it's once again your user commands. Now you probably want to know what happens if I change from Inventor 2017 to Inventor 2018. So that's very simple, because you just need to select the Customize User Commands again. Then you just export your customized or user command, and we say toolbox part. We just save this XML on our computer, close that, and I change to Inventor 2018. Okay, now we are in Inventor 2018, and I already created a new part. Here's our toolbox, and there's no user-defined command toolbox in here, so we just customize. We import from Inventor 2017 preferences toolbox part XML, open it, OK, and we can once again move it to any place at the desktop to use these user commands. If you like to try out this app, just download it here at the XING App Store, and yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye, Jens Kretzschmar from CADsys. Okay, if you're interested and you want to try out, just download it here at the Autodesk